I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Beef Zinger burgers at home. First, let's prepare our flavorful beef patties. Combine 1 pound of ground beef with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix gently, then form 4 to 6 patties, each about 1/2 inch thick. Chilling them for 30 minutes ensures they stay together beautifully during cooking. Now let's create that signature crispy zinger coating. Set up 3 shallow dishes, one with all-purpose flour, one with 2 beaten eggs, and one with 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Take each chilled patty and dredge it thoroughly in the flour, shaking off any excess. Next, dip it into the egg wash, allowing any extra to drip off. Finally, coat it generously in the seasoned breadcrumbs, pressing firmly for a perfect crunch. It's time to cook our zinger patties to golden perfection. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep skillet or pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 1 or 2 breaded patties into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked completely through. Drain them on a wire rack to remove excess oil. Finally, let's assemble your incredible homemade beef zinger burger. Lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch. Spread a generous amount of your preferred zinger sauce or spicy mayonnaise on both the top and bottom halves of the bun. Place the hot, crispy beef patty on the bottom bun, then add fresh lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, and a slice of cheese. Top with the other bun and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.